What is up, my fellow YouTubies, and welcome back to your girl Bianca ChanelXO channel. What up, though, y'all? It's Saturday, it's the weekend, and I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm excited, but well, I'm excited because your girl ain't gotta work this weekend. Okay, I did it. But y'all, I'm actually just leaving the nail salon, and once again, my nail tech, Mindy, honey, she slays every time. She probably think I'm like the quietest person because when I go get my nails done, I don't like to talk. I don't know why. Hold on, y'all see something on my window. I don't know why I'm that way, but I just always been that way. Like, I like silence. If I'm not talking, and I'm probably like watching something on my phone or something like that, like she probably think I'm the quietest person ever. But I love Mindy, and I love the way she do my nails. Like, y'all, can we, I don't even know if they're gonna focus, can we get into my nails, honey? Oh, especially this rose with these gold foils, like. And y'all know me, like, I was normal when it came to my nails, but since I've been coming here, it just made me want to do my nails all cute and all that extra stuff. I hope y'all can hear me over this heat, y'all. It's cold.
It's so cold in the day. How the fuck do we supposed to keep peace?
You hear me? I know we in Michigan, but honey, it's cold, and it rained. It snowed for the first time day before yesterday, and it snowed a little bit. No, it snowed yesterday for the first time. We had our first snowfall. It was only like 2 inches, nothing major, especially for Michigan. That's the light work, honey. But we had our first snowfall, and we had a light snowfall this morning. So honey, it's that time of the year. Me and baby are going to be putting my Christmas tree up. My Christmas tradition is usually like right after Halloween. The day after Halloween, I put my tree up, but I didn't do it this year that way because I've been waiting for baby because he want to be in on it and help me. So me and him are going to do that this Monday, put up the tree and decorate my house. That's what I kind of, look at the itch, y'all. I got a coat, it's right here. I had to take it off because I had to take a picture and I want to look cute. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, I don't know what I'm doing today. Right now I'm probably about to go over to Old Navy because y'all know y'all girl love Old Navy. I want to see what they got. I want to peek in there, and I might go to the health food store since I'm out here. But yeah, and I think me and baby are supposed to be doing something later on. So yes, y'all, but I am in love with my nails. Like, honey, can we, I just can't get over my, especially this one. So cute, so cute. But I love them. They are so cute. They kind of Christmassy, minus, yeah, they kind of Christmassy, but I love them. But yes, y'all, we are about to go roll out. It's like a golden corral, like right here in my face. Like, how y'all feel about golden corral? I hate golden corral. Even when I did eat meat and stuff and I wasn't a vegan, like, I hated golden corral. Like, to me, they food is quantity over quality because, you know, it's all you can eat. So that's how I always felt or whatever. So ooh, y'all, it's like really cold. It's 37 degrees, but it feels like it's like -5 right now. But I ain't complaining. I'll probably start complaining when it starts snowing for real, because your girl hates snow. Yes, I know. Put your seatbelt on, Bianca. That looks like my mama's car. That ain't her car, though. Put your seatbelt on, Bianca. I know. I'm terrible. But I don't know what he about to do. But yes, y'all, I never liked golden corral. Like, ugh, it was never just good to me. It was always ugh. Like the only time I went to Golden Corral, I remember this one time me and my dad had went for breakfast. Now they breakfast, I don't know how it is now, but this was like I don't know how it is now, but this was like a couple of years ago. It was bomb.com, some of the best breakfast that I ever had. But just to be going, no honey, never like Golden Corral. So yeah, like bruh, you won't have to wait. It's only so many people I'm gonna let walk past. Like everybody and their mama. Everybody and their mama. But all right, y'all, let's go. Whatever the road takes us, let's go.
Everything I get on the number one. They tryna team up to beat me, they huddling up. Ever catch me out in traffic, I'm cutting up. Every city we go to, it be lit as for tryna.
I love this song. I like the beat.
I feel in love with a lesbian. Can you knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson.
This my song. Ever get happy to this?
Run that back, turbo. You can get the biggest Chanel like in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they set it up, I got them on it.
I put my coat back on. The girl is good. And now we about to go into. I'm freezing though. Like as y'all can see, my eyes are about to start watering because I'm freezing. But into Old Navy we go. Honey child, I'm cold. I don't know why. I just got so excited when I come in here. Okay. Let's look around. Yeah, I gotta get off here before I get copyrighted. So I shall return. Y'all, I'm just leaving out of Old Navy. I wanted to take y'all around the store with me, but they had music playing, of course, so I couldn't. So I ended up just getting 2 shirts from Old Navy, which cost me about $30 because your girl ain't have a coupon. I thought I did, but it was on online. I thought it was like 20% off coupon, but it was online only. But right now I'm about to go home and meet up with my mom so we can go eat. Of course, y'all know I just can't stay away from Al Mary's. Like that is my go-to place. But I'm gonna get something different. I'm not gonna get a burger this time. Hopefully they still have a chicken and waffles, because they chicken and waffles bang, it's vegan chicken and waffles. So that's what I'm probably going to get. Hold on, y'all, I gotta get in the car. But yes, y'all, that's what I'm probably going to get. But I wanted to take y'all in there with me, but y'all know they be having their music and stuff on, so plus they had, if y'all want some good sales, then I advise y'all to go there, because excuse my coat, yeah, makeup on it. I know, but they got some good sales going on in there. I didn't catch any of them. Well, 2 of my shirts, both of them was on sale, so I can't complain. But you know, if you be spending them coins, honey, you'll be like, I paid $30 on 2 shirts. Like, who does that? Like, where they do that at? And y'all, it's about to be 5 o'clock and the sun is going down already. It's already dark outside. So let me go get my mom and get something to eat, because your girl is hungry. I want to drink too. So let's go. So y'all, I just popped in to show y'all. Me and my mommy got the vegan chicken and waffles. So I'm about to try. Is it good, mama?
Almost gone.
Hers almost gone. I need to start on mine.
I know that's right, because I'm going to eat yours too.
No.
You know what I can want?
There go mama, eh. There go mama, eh.
Not tonight.
There go mama, eh. There go mama. Way behind me.
Struggling. I'm so full.
What you was talking about?
I said I'm in the mood. I want some Cool Whip and cream. The vegan Cool Whip. I mean,
Cool
you
Whip
know,
and cream.
not cream, but fruit.
I got some whipped cream at the house. If you want some.
You got
What you got?
Cool
Fruit?
Whip?
What kind of fruit you gonna get?
With my
Oh, your
fruit that's
frozen
already
fruit?
in there.
Or that fruit that be in the clear little thing?
That's in the plastic thing. In the refrigerator.
Well, I got some whipped cream if you want some.
Not tonight though. I'm just saying I want some.
It's so cold. Oh, it's freezing out here.
Yes, it is.
Child, I just want some heat. Give me my booty warmer.
Michigan weather.
It ain't even really snowing yet in real life and it's cold. It's like a frigid cold tonight.
Yeah, it is.
Did you press the button, man? So we can walk across safely? We had the meter till 8:30.
What time is it?
Like 7:40.
Almost a whole hour.
Somebody gonna get it too. It's cold, baby. It's cold.
You receive.
Outside. I really can't stay.
Cold outside.
I've got to go away.
Cold outside.
This evening has been
So very nice.
That's all I know, y'all. Don't know no more after that. Ooh, come on, light. Child, I'm about to gun it. Yeah, that's what me and Demetrius is out here doing. Gunning it.
I don't know. I'll be like, Bianca, help.
No, they got 2 pianos, mama.
Oh,
I thought they just moved it around, child.
I'm gonna find that man, make sure. Still got that song.
He didn't probably change it the next
I
day.
know the next
Probably changed it when the next person walked past.
Right.
That's why he
pretty woman that walked past.
That's why he used it in pencil. He did it in pencil.
Right.
It ain't permanent. If you write it down.
Right.
I'm gonna catch up with y'all later because my hands is
Don't
freezing.
just hear my voice, see mama.
My hands is freezing holding this dang on log camera, child. I need some gloves. Some gloves. Peace out.
Some gloves in your life.
What is up, y'all? I got y'all set up because I don't feel like helping y'all. I literally just got home and look what was at my door. My Boxycharm. First I thought I will open it with you guys. This is the November Boxycharm. And here goes the little standard card that it comes with. And the theme for this month is Gold Digger, honey. Okay, I'm with it. So it's like a gold theme. Dig in and see what we got. So the first thing I see is this Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. This packaging is so cute. Like, can we just get into this little shimmery gold box? And these are what the lashes look like. Cute lashes. Instagram. And I love this packaging. This packaging is everything. It's so cute. And even like the inside of it is like shimmery gold. Like, how cute is this packaging? And the lashes, of course, are cute. And these retail for $14.99. So that's the first thing I see. The next thing I see is the Cover FX glitter drops in the color Nova. So this is the packaging. I've seen these drops before, but I never wanted to use them. They say these ultra concentrated drops create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into foundation or moisturizer. Okay, so it's definitely a gold because that's the theme. So I guess I'm with the theme of the Boxycharm because I got my gold and I got my gold nails. But this is the color Nova, and this is what it looks like. And it's like a dropper. So I don't know if I'll be using this much because I don't really like stuff like this, but you know, I might, you know. But this is the glitter drops. So we got that in the Boxycharm. Next I see is Luxie Premium Synthetic Handcrafted Brushes. These are so cute. So these are the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. These are so cute, y'all. The packaging is so cute. And the brushes, they are like, I don't want to open these, but they like are like glittery gold. A glittery gold color. They are so pretty. And they gave us this because the next thing that I see is a glittering star eyeliner by Jaune Blue. I think that's how you say it. Long lasting intense. Update your eye. So, you know, it got glitter in it. Jaune Blue. I think that's how you say it. Glittering star eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. It's gold too. This definitely ain't gonna be able to focus. But this is what it looks like. And it does have glitter in it. But you can't really see the glitter, so I don't know. Focus. But you can't really like see the glitter to me. So I probably won't be using this, but it's in the Boxycharm. And last but not least, Boxycharm always comes through with a good old nasty eyeshadow palette. And this one is so pretty, y'all. I peeked at it before I opened it. And this is by Ace Beauty Grandoise palette, I believe. Oh, and the brushes retail for $21, and the glitter eyeliner retails for $5, and this palette retails for $24.99. The packaging is gorgeous. It's all gold things because it's gold digger, okay? But y'all, look at these colors. So gorgeous. I cannot wait. Ooh. I cannot wait to play in this. Like, this is so my style. Every single last color in here is so my style. And I just cannot wait to play in this. Like, it's so pretty. I absolutely love it. But look at the top of it. Even though I don't have a mirror, like, this packaging is just so nice. But yeah, that's all for November's Boxycharm. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this box. The only thing I'm kind of with is the eyeliner thingy. So, but other than that, it's a pretty good box. So I can't wait to try those lashes. I think that packaging on those lashes are absolutely gorgeous. But you guys, I am going to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you click on your post notification so you get notified when I do upload. And I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Be blessed.